Best and worst protein powders at Costco. The best one is definitely going to surprise you. Starting with the worst, gold standard whey, it doesn't even get a bronze in my opinion. This is not just whey protein. It's loaded with toxic fillers like sunflower oil, maltodextrin, and modified food starch.
Those aren't toxic. They're added for emulsification, shelf life, and texture.
This thing even has artificial flavors and contains dipotassium phosphate and tricalcium phosphate. This stuff breaks down in your digestive system to phosphate, which poisons your body, hurts your kidneys, and even leach calcium out of your bones.
The answer is nuanced. When you consume dipotassium phosphate and tricalcium phosphate, it breaks down into inorganic phosphate ions. In normal amounts, phosphates help with bone health, energy production, and cell signaling. However, when consuming in excess, it can lead to kidney strain, calcium imbalances, and cardiovascular risks. In healthy individuals, consuming it here and there is not toxic. But when overconsumed over a long period of time, it can pose health risks.
One step up is going to be the Kirkland whey protein. It's a lot better, has some organic ingredients, but what it does have is sucralose or Splenda. I would never have that in a protein powder.
Why? Sucralose helps add sweetness without excess calories.
Next up is the Orgain plant-based protein powder. This is actually full of a lot of organic and sprouted ingredients. This is overall a pretty healthy protein powder. However, plant-based proteins can be harder to absorb and they can be contaminated with a lot of heavy metals.
Yeah, I don't think it contains heavy metals, but the other part's true. Plant-based proteins aren't as bioavailable as animal-based proteins and can be harder for our bodies to digest and absorb.
Here's my surprise for you, and this is an absolute winner at Costco. The Vital Proteins Collagen Peptides. This is going to deliver twice the amount of protein as any of those protein powders, and it's unflavored, so you can put it in anything, your coffee, your shakes, and you can 100% control what you flavor and sweeten it with using natural and organic ingredients. And this comes from grass-fed and pasture-raised cows.
Wow. Yeah, that is surprising. Considering that you're recommending collagen-based protein, which isn't even a complete protein. It's high in amino acids such as glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, but lacks a strong profile in leucine, which is essential for muscle building. Not to mention, collagen has a low biological value, meaning your body doesn't use it effectively for growth and repair, especially when you compare it to foods such as whey and eggs. Collagen's known best for improving skin and joint health, but even then it's not widely studied and its effectiveness isn't well known.